हाय ऑल, वेलकम टू सफलता सीरीज ऑफ प्रशासनिक गुरुकुल, जिसमें हम सर्वाधिक संभावित प्रश्न जो आपके ईपीएफओ एग्जामिनेशन में आ सकते हैं हम उसके ऊपर चर्चा करेंगे। तो बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज IUCN स्टेटस ऑफ गैंजेटिक डॉल्फिन इज ऑप्शन आर इंडेंजर्ड, बी वल्नरेबल, सी नॉट थ्रेटेंड, डी क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड। सी this questions may come up in your examination, but I will give you an added information which is very much necessary. See, इसका IUCN स्टेटस इंडेंजर्ड है, पर गैंजेटिक डॉल्फिन कहां मिलता है? जो गंगा रिवर सिस्टम से अटैच्ड रिवर है। फॉर एग्जांपल आपके गंडक में भी होता है, ठीक है। इस बार डॉल्फिन को कहां तक देखा गया है? इलाहाबाद में भी देखा गया है, ठीक है। प्लस ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर में भी गैंजेटिक डॉल्फिन होती है, ठीक है। सो दिस कैन बी ए पॉसिबल क्वेश्चन एंड इट इज इंडियाज नेशनल एक्वेटिक एनिमल, नेशनल एक्वेटिक एनिमल। प्लस इंडिया में इंदस डॉल्फिन भी मिलती है। किसमें मिलती है? रिवर ब्यास एंड रावी, क्योंकि वो इंदस रिवर सिस्टम के हिस्से हैं। भारत में इंदस सिर्फ और सिर्फ लद्दाख के यूनियन टेरिटरी से पास करती है, ठीक है। हम बढ़ते हैं इसी के साथ अगले प्रश्न पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which of the following is not the criteria for selection as World Heritage Site? Your options are part of unique cultural tradition past or present, B unique example of architecture or technology in human history, C unique example of human interaction with environment, D site associated with traditional folklore। ठीक है, तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को पॉज कीजिए और कंसीडर कीजिए, इसमें से कौन क्राइटेरिया नहीं है सेलेक्ट होने के लिए वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट के अंदर। आपको एक पॉसिबल क्वेश्चन रामसर साइट के भी क्राइटेरिया के ऊपर आ सकता है, ठीक है। तो इसका सही जवाब है डी, वो साइट जो लघु कथाओं से एसोसिएटेड हैं या लघु कथाएं वहां से जुड़ी हुई हैं, वो एक क्राइटेरिया नहीं है, ठीक है। बढ़ते हैं हम अगले प्रश्न पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द ग्लोबल जेंडर गैप इज रिलीज्ड बाय, योर ऑप्शंस आर वर्ल्ड बैंक, वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम, सी IMF and D UNDP। So you know the answer is World Economic Forum. So why there can be a possible question from here? See, again India has suggested that this global gender gap index is not reflecting the right empowerment of Indian women. Why? Because they have not considered one in their political participation of women, that women those who are participating at local or panchayat level, okay, panchayat level, that is local governance. In India, majority of states have introduced 50% reservation for women in local governance across open and reserved seat, okay. So because of that there is huge leadership which has got generated among local women at this level, panchayat level. So that was not captured by global gender gap index. India has suggested this and now they have taken these suggestions and they have included. So in next rating India will definitely perform well. So because of this suggestion been included on behalf of India, you may get question on global gender gap index. So इसे कौन रिलीज करता है? वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम, ठीक है। हम बढ़ते हैं अगले प्रश्न पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, गरुड़ा एडजुटेंट स्ट्रोक is found in which of the following states of India? Your options are Assam, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra। See, आपको जान के घोर आश्चर्य होगा, हम इंडियन माइथोलॉजी में गरुड़, जिसको एडजुटेंट स्ट्रोक भी कहते हैं, उनकी काफी महत्व है, पर भारत में सिर्फ ये 2 राज्यों में मिलता है, बिहार और आसाम, ठीक है। इनफैक्ट बिहार में भी सिर्फ भागलपुर में इसका कंजर्वेशन ब्रीडिंग सेंटर बन रहा है अभी, ठीक है। कहां पे? भागलपुर में, ठीक है। भागलपुर में जो आपका गंगा और कोशी नदी है, उनके बीच में एक रिवराइन आइलैंड बनता है जिसे वहां पे दियारा कहते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज कदवा दियारा। So why there will be a question on Garuda? See, in Assam and Bihar it is only found, other than this it is only found in Cambodia. Cambodia. This time Green Oscar award has got or given to the organization which is related to Garuda. That organization is known as Har Gali, okay? Har Gali Warriors, okay? They are of Assam, okay? So this organization has received that award and it is led by one lady over there, okay. So this is very important. You may get question on IUCN status, you may get question on their geographical spread. So it is right now only found in Assam, Bihar and Cambodia, ठीक है। बढ़ते हैं हम अगले प्रश्न पर। Next question is Vibrant Village program does not include which of the following state? Your options are West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar and Arunachal Pradesh। See, this vibrant village program is associated with borders in northern part of India. Okay, so which are the states which are sharing borders with the country in northern part of India? West Bengal shares border with Nepal and Bhutan. Odisha does not share boundary. Bihar share it with Nepal. Arunachal shares it with Bhutan, China, Myanmar. Okay, so the right answer is Odisha. It is not included in vibrant village program. So moving to the next question. Question number 6. Living root bridge of Meghalaya, which is included in the World Heritage List, belongs to which of the following tribes? Your options are Khasi, Garo, Hojong and D. Jaintia. See, this living root bridge of Meghalaya belongs to, which has got heritage status, belongs to Khasi tribe. Khasi tribes have only taught this to Garo and Jaintia. Okay, but possible question could be living root bridge जो बनता है ये किस वृक्ष से related है? Which tree is responsible for this? So it is wild rubber. Many of you will think that it is banyan tree. No, it is wild rubber. Okay. Khasi, Garo and Jaintia are tribes of Meghalaya. You will also find Hajong tribe over there. Okay. These Hajongs are Hindu tribes, those who have gone from East Pakistan, that is Bangladesh, to Meghalaya. Okay. And there is a history that these Hojongs were originally people of Hojong place in Assam. Okay. So this is added information. Plus Khasi is a matrifocal tribe. That is again an important information. So let's move to the next question. Question number 7, and this question may even come up in your UPSC civil services examination. The question is, Lachit Barphukan inspired the Assamese soldier in the Battle of Sarai Ghat, which was fought in the year 1972, in the year 1672, 1671, 1675 and 1677. Answer is 1677. He gave such a crushing defeat to the Mughal army that after that defeat they dare not enter the Brahmaputra valley. Okay. So why this question may come up? Because this year has been celebrated as the 400th birth anniversary of Lachit Barphukan. Okay. And this has also been tweeted by Prime Minister of India, and we have seen whenever these kind of historical figure come up in either PMO or PIB, they are possible question in your competitive examination. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, which of the following is not rightly matched? State, union territory, number of district in national capital region. Option Uttar Pradesh, it is 8 district. Yes, it is correct. Rajasthan 3 district, it is wrong. It is only 2 district of Rajasthan. Haryana 14 district, correct. And then Delhi 11 district. Yes, it is 11 district in Delhi. Let's move to question number 9. Dudhan Dam is being built on which of the following river? Your options are Ken, Betwa, Rihand and Dudhna. ठीक है, तो दुधना में भी डैम है और ये रिवर कौन सी है? ये दुधना रिवर है, ये महाराष्ट्र में है. ठीक है, पर ये जो दुधान डैम है ये केन पर बिल्ड हो रहा है और कहां हो रहा है? मध्य प्रदेश में. सो यूपीएससी हैज गॉट दिस हैबिट ऑफ कमिंग अप विद सिमिलर साउंडिंग वर्ड्स इन योर ऑप्शन. ओके, सो दिस कैन अगेन बी ए पॉसिबल क्वेश्चन. लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Who among the following is not a member of committee recommending for the post of Chief Election Commissioner of India? This has come up after recent intervention by Supreme Court of India. Your options are Prime Minister, B. Leader of Opposition, C. Chief Justice of India and D. Minister of Home Affairs. Supreme Court has laid down the rules that if one has to recommend, a committee has to recommend name of Chief Election Commissioner, then that committee must have Prime Minister of India, Leader of Opposition. In case there is no Leader of Opposition, leader from the largest opposition party, Chief Justice of India himself may not go, but he will nominate someone on his behalf. And Minister of Home Affairs, this is not the member of committee recommending the name of Chief Election Commissioner. Okay, so he is not among the members, so this is the answer. So you guys stay tuned with our these सफलता सीरीज, जहां पे हम संभावित प्रश्नों की श्रृंखला पर चर्चा करेंगे. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. Stay tuned, do download our app, subscribe us and like us on YouTube. Thank you.